Hi guys, it's Thomas here from COTbase.com. Welcome to our weekly COT review. Today we're going to be analyzing the 28th Commitments of Traders Report of 2022. And we're not going to do the usual, so we're not going to start off with the commercials change signals. I want to do something else. We're going to start off with large speculator COT Extreme. And as you can see, we've got crude oil on top of our list. And I want to show you our indicator, the ICOT intraday indicator. So this review, I'm kind of showing you what you can do with all the services that we offer. So of course we start off with traditional commitments of traders analysis. Now before we jump into that, just a reminder for those of you who are new to COT analysis, here at COTbase.com we offer a lot of educational material explaining to you what net COT data is, what the Commitments of Traders Report is all about, the source, typical setups. We have a bunch of videos as well. So there's really a lot of educational material for those who are just starting off with COT analysis. And we do offer a lot of indicators as well. So that's what we're going to be talking about. But before we jump there, let's start off with this review, just a little bit different this time. So we're going to open and focus on large speculator COT Extreme. You can see we've got crude oil on top of our list with the 302 report Extreme. So the report is telling us the picture is bullish from an extreme perspective. So we've got commercials here represented with the red line. We of course are talking about net positions. Okay, we're analyzing the classic legacy COT data, and we are looking at futures and options combined. So for those who are just joining, we offer here at COTbase.com all the report types, all the data types. This time the reviews are always focusing on the classic and the futures and options combined data. Okay, so commercials represented with the red. And you can see that if we compare their net position on this 5-year chart, it is relatively in a more bullish COT extreme zone. Of course, one might ask, how is that the case? We have prices high. It is what it is, okay? The COT report suggests that we could see further strengthening in this market. So you open the chart, you look at a 5-year chart, and you say, hey, we've got something interesting here. Let's see if this rebound, this retest of the support zone gives us some opportunity. So you switch over to our wonderful indicator, the ICOT intraday indicator. And that I can show you here on TradingView. We have this available for CTrader, for NinjaTrader, and as you can see on TradingView. And this is a 4 hours candlestick chart. You can, of course, shift that and look at the market. Let's start off with the daily, okay? So this is the daily chart. Each candle represents 1 day, and you can see underneath the price chart, we have these scores. So this is the ICOT intraday indicator score chart. This is our own data. It is not the same as the data coming from CFTC, right? So it's similar, but it's not the same. It is derived from price, but it is mimicking extreme analysis. So as you can see over here, I'm going to enlarge this for you. So each candle represents a day. You can see that at an extreme commercial, you see the red line, similar to commercials, representing an extreme. It becomes, you see on the right side over here, we have scale from -100 to +100. And you can, by the way, define what level you want the signal to appear. And I'll, of course, explanations are on our site, so I'm not going to go into very detail because this is a brief review that I'm doing. I just want to show you that you get an extreme indicator, an extreme signal from the classic COT report, and then you open the chart and this is a possibility. I'm not saying you have to use this, but this is an indicator that we developed exactly to help you enter and exit trades. Okay, so you can see these yellow diamonds and also the bars changing colors. And then if both happen at the same time, we do get these vertical lines. If it's a sell signal, it's red. If it's a buy signal, it is green, of course. Okay, so let's go a little bit deeper. So let's switch to the 4-hour candlestick chart. Okay, we've got the 4-hour over here. So here you can see we got a few buy signals, no sell signals, a few buy signals, and then we have the stripe, very significant signal, and you can see the price actually reacting to that signal. Again, reaction to that signal, and then of course we start headed lower price wise, and then we get a buy signal, and you can see that we have had a bit of a reaction already Thursday, Friday to these signals. Okay, moving on, let's go on and have a look at the 1-hour candlestick. Here you go. You can see how this indicator works on a 1-hour candlestick. Again, we're not surprised to see the stripe signal roughly at the same position. Okay. And of course you can dig into, and this is the beauty of this indicator, right? Anybody who's been using COT data analysis in their trading knows that we're always thinking, when will this become available in a shorter time frame? Like, it used to be COT data came out on a monthly basis in the 80s, I believe. Then it came on a bi-weekly, then it became weekly, and just imagine how valuable it would be if we got it on a daily, or even within a day. Now that's what we're trying to achieve here with the ICOT intraday indicator, but it is derived from price and not, of course, open interest information. It's not that. But here you go. This is a 30-minute candlestick chart. Isn't that a beauty? Isn't that a beauty? Again, I'm just opening this because this is the top of our list with regard to extreme analysis. I should point out that you can really go into the micro time frame here. So it depends on your style. Let's go down into the 5-minute range over here. So we got a buy signal over here. We get some sell signals there. Sell signals, nothing over here. And of course, you can even go to the 30-second time frame if that's what you're looking for. So again, this is a very unique indicator that we worked on for many years. If you want to find information about it, you can do so here at cotbase.com under indicators. You will find a ton of example charts, okay? And we do explain what these signals are. And we have some very useful videos as well that will explain to you how the system works and how you can benefit from it. So this is a little bit different review that I'm doing. Don't forget, there's a lot to do here at cotbase.com. Of course, we are focusing on the Commitments of Traders report. And we offer you, of course, analyzing all the markets that are available. As you can see in these reviews, I usually don't show everything, but this time let's just switch over there so you can see, starting from the Australian dollar, currencies, we've got energies, we've got grains, we've got livestock, metals, soft markets, stock indexes, interest rates, and we've got Bitcoin as well. Okay, so I should point out, the longer the COT history, the more valuable the analysis will be. That's going to be all for this review. I know it's a bit different, but I really wanted to show you the capabilities of our ICOT intraday indicator. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out at info@cotbase.com, and I'm going to make sure that you get a response shortly. So again, thanks for everything, and I hope to see you in my next COT review. Take care. Goodbye.